Hey guys, just a real quick video. The video that I had on YouTube a minute ago I had to delete because people were getting furious because I showed trail camera footage of the deer that was in my garden. I say was. That's all I can say now because people were furious with me and unsubscribing. It opens up a whole world of thoughts in my mind. I once was working in New York City and I was eating a turnip that grew in my own garden, and it had a little bit of residue of some dirt fresh out of the garden that morning, and the guy looked at it and said, "Oh, that's disgusting, what are you eating?" And I said, "Well, it's a turnip. Don't you eat turnips?" And he says, "Yeah, I like them, but where'd you get that?" And I said, "It's out of my garden." He says, "Oh, disgusting. I would never eat anything that didn't come out of a grocery store." I'm like, oh. Anyway, so I had to delete my video because it angered too many people. If you want to see it, go on over to DIY Tube. It's over there for anybody that wants to see it. And I eat meat. It is what it is. Talk to you later. Just want to let you know it's over there. And as some of you may have seen it briefly, I had to remove it. People are getting mad at me. Okay, lot going on. I have a, well, we'll do another video on everything else. And sorry about that. Talk to you later.